Good evening. Car enthusiasts. Ready to experience luxury and innovation? Meet the new car review, a masterpiece of engineering blending luxury and performance in a sophisticated package. From the outside, it boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design, highlighted by a bold front grille and striking LED headlights that exude modern elegance. The interior offers a premium experience with plush leather seats, advanced ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen with seamless connectivity options. Comfort is paramount with generous legroom, dual-zone climate control, and an ultra-quiet cabin that makes long journeys a breeze. Under the hood, the Diamante G.
Like, subscribe, share, comment. Script for 2025 Honda City Review, MGB YouTube channel. The automotive world is evolving faster than ever, and with each passing year, we witness manufacturers setting new benchmarks. In today's video, we dive deep into one such contender that has redefined expectations in its segment, the 2025 Honda City. This car has always been a popular choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, offering a balance of practicality, style, and performance. But how does the 2025 model stand out in a market filled with options? Let's find out. The Honda City has consistently been a bestseller in the sedan category, and the 2025 version aims to uphold that legacy. Honda claims that the latest iteration has received numerous updates, both in design and technology. The question is, does it justify its position as one of the most sought-after sedans in its class, or has the competition caught up? First, let's talk about the design. At first glance, the 2025 Honda City is a head-turner. Honda has taken an evolutionary approach to its styling, ensuring it retains its identity while incorporating modern elements that cater to current design trends. The front fascia is sharper, with a sleeker grille, LED headlights, and a more sculpted bumper design. These elements come together to give the car an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The side profile remains clean, with bold character lines that add depth to its appearance, while the new alloy wheel designs perfectly complement the overall aesthetics. The rear of the car features revised LED taillights and a reworked bumper, giving it a sportier edge. Overall, the 2025 Honda City effortlessly blends elegance with a touch of dynamism. Step inside the cabin, and the changes are immediately noticeable. Honda has put considerable effort into improving the interior experience. The material quality has been upgraded, with soft touch surfaces and premium finishes on the dashboard and door panels. The 2025 model introduces a new 10.2-inch infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is responsive and intuitive, making it one of the better systems in its class. There's also a fully digital 7-inch driver display that provides essential information with crisp graphics. Comfort has always been a strong suit of the Honda City, and the new model continues that tradition. The seats are well cushioned and offer excellent support for long journeys. Rear passengers get ample legroom and headroom, which is one of the key reasons why the City is often chosen by families. Honda has also improved the sound insulation, resulting in a quieter cabin even at higher speeds. The addition of a panoramic sunroof in higher trims adds a sense of openness to the interior, enhancing the overall experience. When it comes to features, Honda has left no stone unturned. The 2025 City comes with a host of advanced features, including a wireless charging pad, ventilated front seats, an upgraded climate control system, and a premium audio setup that delivers impressive sound quality. Safety is another area where the City shines. The car is equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These features not only enhance safety but also add a layer of convenience during long drives. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Honda City is available with two powertrain options. The first is a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine that delivers a balance of performance and efficiency. It produces 121 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque, making it ideal for city driving and occasional highway runs. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a CVT, depending on your preference. The second option is a hybrid powertrain that combines a 1.5-liter petrol engine with an electric motor. This setup delivers a combined output of 126 horsepower and offers exceptional fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious buyers. Driving dynamics have always been a strong point of the Honda City, and the 2025 model continues to impress. The steering is light yet precise, making it easy to maneuver in urban settings while still being engaging on winding roads. The suspension setup strikes a fine balance between comfort and handling, ensuring a smooth ride over uneven surfaces without compromising on stability. The hybrid variant, with its electric assistance, feels particularly refined, delivering seamless power delivery and a quieter driving experience. In terms of mileage, the petrol variant offers impressive figures, with Honda claiming around 18 to 20 km/h, depending on the transmission. The hybrid version takes it a step further, delivering over 25 km/h, which is among the best in its class. These numbers make the 2025 Honda City not only a practical choice but also a cost-effective one in the long run. So, who is the 2025 Honda City for? Well, it caters to a wide audience. For young professionals looking for a stylish and feature-packed sedan, the City ticks all the right boxes. Families will appreciate its spacious cabin, safety features, and overall comfort. Even enthusiasts will find joy in its refined driving dynamics and responsive performance. One area where the 2025 Honda City particularly excels is its value proposition. While it is priced slightly higher than some of its competitors, the features, build quality, and brand reputation more than justify the premium. Honda has a solid track record when it comes to reliability, and the City is no exception. The after-sales service network is extensive, ensuring peace of mind for buyers. However, no car is perfect, and the Honda City does have its limitations. The lack of a diesel engine option might disappoint some buyers, especially those who prioritize high torque and long-distance cruising. Additionally, while the CVT is smooth and convenient, it lacks the responsiveness of a traditional torque converter automatic, which might not appeal to spirited drivers. That said, these are minor trade-offs in an otherwise excellent package. The 2025 Honda City continues to uphold its legacy as a well-rounded sedan that offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, performance, or efficiency, the City delivers on all fronts. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize what makes the 2025 Honda City a standout choice. It boasts a refreshed design, a feature-packed interior, advanced safety technology, and efficient yet capable powertrains. Its hybrid variant, in particular, is a game-changer in the segment, offering unmatched fuel economy without compromising on performance. If you're in the market for a sedan that combines practicality with a touch of luxury, the 2025 Honda City should definitely be on your shortlist. It's a car that doesn't just meet expectations but exceeds them in many ways. Honda has once again proven why the City remains one of the most popular choices in its class. So, what are your thoughts on the 2025 Honda City? Is it the sedan you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MGB for more in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and all things automotive. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.